Greetings, this is Kenny J with the Private Trade Room and PTFX University. Listen, guys, first and foremost, happy holidays to everyone out there inside of the Private Trade Room and also all of our future clients out there, everybody in the internet world who will eventually become a member of our trade community. Okay, this is some exciting times right now. This is going to be a fun video. As you can see, I have my Christmas hat on, I have my Gold Rush sweater on right now. And we're in the holiday spirit because there are some amazing things happening in the gold markets, which I'm going to show you, but also inside of our community. But first and foremost, I want to go ahead and share an amazing testimonial from one of our clients who just got started a few days ago. Shout out to our client, Haley. All right, we're going to go over a quick testimonial with her and stay tuned to the end of the video. And I'm going to show you how you can save 50% on the Gold Rush Autotrader. Okay, and also some amazing updates for our clients who already have it and our future clients as well. So our client Haley, as you can see here, new client made $2,600 her first day with the Gold Rush Autotrader. Let me say that again. New client made $2,600 her first day using the Gold Rush Autotrader. Okay, so we're gonna dive right into this proof and testimonials. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, guys, so I absolutely love waking up to text messages like this from some of our clients about how well they're doing with the Gold Rush Autotrader. Okay, so Haley texted me this morning. Again, she just recently got started. She said she had made $2,600. Okay, $3,600 was her overall balance, right? She was trying to withdraw $2,600. She's asking me if there's a limit to withdraw, or there's not a limit. You can withdraw as much money as you want. So we're really excited about that. Okay, so I'm excited for her. I say, wow, that's huge. Congratulations, $2,600 in profit your first day. More to come. Gold just reaching all-time high. I'm going to show you this, guys. Stay tuned. We're in for a lot of money all 2026, okay? And I really like what she said here. She said, I'm excited for what's to come. I fought trading gold with little to no guidance for 5 years now. So it's about time I got a return on all that money I've lost. How many people can relate to that, right? But anyways, I'm grateful for this opportunity, okay? And I had a motivational message for her. I said, yes, now is the time for your breakthrough. You deserve it for sticking with it, all right? Taking a risk and trying again. You have the right product. Now you just have to be consistent and execute. And we believe the Gold Rush is the right product for the times. All right, and I just asked her, okay, hey, Haley, can you do me a favor? Send me a screenshot of your winning day. All right, your profits on MT4. And she was kind enough to send it over to show her proof, okay? And here it is right here, guys. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in right there. She made a deposit of $1,090.57, okay? And her profits, okay, $2,576. All right, so rounded up about $2,600 earned. All right, and hopefully, Haley, you go ahead and withdraw those profits. What an amazing Christmas gift, okay? Especially with everything that's going on in the markets. We're gonna close out this year strong going into 2026. So let me go ahead and edit some hand claps for Haley. Congratulations. Shout out to you and thank you for allowing me to share these text messages. They really inspire everybody, especially all of our newbies and people that's coming inside of our community to use the Gold Rush Autotrader. So thank you for that. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and opened up the gold charts. I'm on the H4 chart, okay, which is a 4-hour chart on TradingView. I have to show you this. For those who do not know, gold just reached an all-time high, all right? We currently are at price 4,486, okay? This is the highest gold has ever been, as you can see. Okay, the last all-time high was about right here, okay, 4,373 price, right? But look, guys, it broke. And it didn't even retest, okay? It just continued to go up, and I think we're gonna continue to reach all-time highs, but the way that the Gold Rush Autotrader set up, we'll be able to catch it either way, okay? While gold is increasing in price, okay? Or if it's dropping, we make money on the buy or the sell, okay? And there's a new feature on the Gold Rush, guys, and after training, I'm gonna show you guys where you could actually program it and use that fancy algorithm with the Gold Rush that allows it to open and close trades so quickly for you to build your account and build up your equity. You get to use that feature in just a buy, okay, or just a sell. All right. And you'll be able to use my technical analysis that I have in our private trade room Discord to help you maximize that. Let me show you that. Okay, guys, so when you get started and you actually purchase the Gold Rush Autotrader, you enter the private trade room Discord. Okay, this is where our funded traders are located, and also all of our gold rushers, okay, which is all of our clients who have the Gold Rush Autotrader. So you're going to have access to all these amazing updates. Sometimes I do discounts, blitz promos, but I also give updates on the markets, okay, and I give technical analysis weekly in here. Okay, me and my team do excellent technical analysis. Let me give you an example. So I give a full, thorough breakdown of what we see, okay, and also I give a visual breakdown. So you can see here, guys, we broke this technical analysis down inside of our Discord. I saw that gold was going to drop down to this level of support, okay, it was going to reject, and it was going to go back up, okay, to this high level of resistance right here. All right, so you can look right here, guys, on the next one. And I recorded this live. I did a video on this, all right, of making $2,000 in about an hour and a half on this technical analysis, okay? And that video is on our YouTube channel. That was the last video I dropped. So all I did, guys, as soon as it hit here, as I predicted, all right, turned on the Gold Rush Autotrader, and look, it shot up. Okay, we'll zoom in right here. It shot up almost about 400 to 500 pips, right? And you can see the profits that I earned there. It ended up being 2,000. That was the video that I dropped right here. Okay, so you can see this on my YouTube channel. Okay, make 2K in an hour and a half. Okay, using that technical analysis. You can see here, guys, I'm pretty consistent with it. I'm dropping a technical analysis, and you get to use this for extra confluence on the Gold Rush. Now, is this necessary? No, it's not necessary to make money with the Gold Rush to do a technical analysis. But if you want to become even more accurate and you really don't know how to trade, I'm essentially just giving you the cheat sheet of what me and my team are doing to essentially win almost every trade. All right, so you could actually take that same guidance as I put it out if you want to use this to increase your conversion, okay, and win at a high level. All right, you can see here, guys, I'm dropping these technical analyses pretty much weekly. So that is another benefit of becoming a member, and you become a lifetime member. Okay, once you purchase a Gold Rush Autotrader, you become a member of the private trade room and have access to my Discord permanently. All right, so that's an exciting feature once you get started. Okay, guys, there's a couple things I want to talk about, and then we're going to close out here, and I'm going to show you how you can register today and save 50% on the Gold Rush Autotrader before January 1st, 2026. Right now, our broker, they brought back the 400% equity bonus, okay? This basically means any deposit $400 or above, you can access 400% in equity. Okay, so if you actually put, let's say you put $1,000 in your account, right? You made $1,000 deposit, you will get $4,000 in equity. So it's almost like you're trading with the power of a $5,000 account. They slightly drop the leverage, but it doesn't matter because you have so much equity. So this is extremely powerful. So if you want to get started with the Gold Rush Autotrader, this really is going to help you out a lot, especially if you don't have a lot to deposit, right? You can maximize whatever deposit you put in with this bonus. Okay, so this is super exciting, and it is going to help your performance with the Gold Rush. So it's here for a limited time. You could actually trade manually with this, but I would suggest using the Gold Rush with this equity bonus because it's going to maximize the performance with the auto trade. Okay, guys, also when you get started, this is not just with the lifetime upgrade. This is also for anybody who gets the Gold Rush Autotrader, whether that's a year or the lifetime membership. Okay, we have some new strategies that we're releasing. Believe it or not, the Gold Rush Autotrader already performs good with this natural presets by just turning it on during the London session and the New York session, okay? But you could increase the accuracy with some of these strategies that we're releasing because now that we have hundreds of people using it, we've collected so much data, we've done so much testing, it's just getting better and better and better. So we have an advanced directional strategy that's coming inside of PTFX University for our Gold Rush users. This is coming in 2026. We have a dual Gold Rush strategy, okay, that actually requires 2 Gold Rushes, which is extremely powerful. All right. So I'm going to kind of be quiet on that one. And you're going to know more about that whenever you get started. If you're interested in knowing about that, please reach out and I'll discuss that more in a private chat. Okay. And of course, if you ever upgrade to the lifetime membership, you never will have an expiration date. You have the Gold Rush Autotrader for life. That means you can always open up your laptop, right, and change it into an ATM machine, okay, by using the Gold Rush Autotrader for the rest of your life. It never has to expire. As long as MT4 is available, you will be able to use the Gold Rush Autotrader forever. So that lifetime membership is very special. So take advantage of it while it's here. Okay, guys, so the 50% off promo ends January 1st, 2026. I'm going to say it again. The 50% off promo ends January 1st, 2026, and it will not return. Okay, we did this for a pre-launch. We started it June 1st. This was for our community. We cut it in half all the way to the end of the year. Okay, so a lot of people got started. A lot of people took advantage of it, but the Gold Rush is so valuable. It has to go back to its original market price in January. Okay, it's worth it. It pays for itself. If you could get it by any means necessary, get the Gold Rush Autotrader while it's at this price, 50% off. How do you do it? Okay, go ahead and register at www.goldrushregister.info. Again, www.goldrushregister.info. Okay, it will collect all your information. I will reach out to you. Okay, answer all your questions and get you started. Or if you want a more direct response, you can text me at 346-620-9094. Text me, I want the Gold Rush. 346-620-9094. Okay, guys, God bless you. This is Kenny J with the Private Trade Room and PTFX University. We will see you in 2026 as gold reaches new highs, and we have the Gold Rush Autotrader to take advantage of everything that the market is offering. And thank you and shout out to everybody who started this off with us, all of our testimonials, all of our supporters. It's been a powerful year. People's lives are changing, and I can't wait for you to be that next powerful Gold Rush Autotrader testimonial. God bless you. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Peace. Have a great day.